How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a new video on Amazon slash Kindle self-publishing. What I want to talk about today is the whole conundrum about requiring reviews, particularly review swaps, to get your book ranked and to have it even sell. Like, can you really make sales from a book without having reviews? Is it possible? Absolutely. What I want to show you real quick is some books that I've actually written myself and published before I knew review swaps being a thing. Now, what I've typed in is, as a keyword, is powerlifting book. I could have done powerlifting books. And right here, this is one of my books with 6 reviews. And this is also one of my books for powerlifting with 17 reviews, none of which were swapped, believe it or not. So, as you can see here, I've got a somewhat competitive keyword that I was able to notch down on the first page with not one, but 2 books with not a whole lot of reviews. Obviously, I don't outrank Starting Strength by Mark Rippleto, but I'm ahead of a few others that have a whole boatload more reviews. So, how is it possible? First and foremost, with how I was able to get this book ranked, it was a long process. This wasn't always on the first page. It takes longer than using review swaps to get ranked, but it can happen. What helped this book sell was that it's for a good keyword, even within powerlifting. Like what this book is about is a particular training methodology, rather than just about powerlifting in general. It's something more specific within the sport. And it has a certain niche appeal within the sport, if that makes sense. So instead of saying how to lift weights, what are the general methods for lifting weights, it's like, what's this one style of lifting weights that'll help me be the best powerlifter I can be? And it's a system that I have experience using with for years now. Outside of the whole KINDLE world, I do have an elite classification in powerlifting. So as such, I have knowledge on the subject. I wrote the book completely by myself, and I would think that I have good content written in this book. As such, all my reviews came organically. None of them were swaps, and as you can see here in the distribution, it's a very honest, straightforward distribution. A couple people hated it. The 67% liked it out of 6 reviews. So yeah, I mean, this book has done over $1,000 for me, life to date, which is about over a year now. Likewise with this other book, I was able to get 17 reviews without swaps, mostly just through organic reviews and from just promoting on social media sites like Facebook, Reddit, and such, and that has gotten me reviews as well. This book has made me about $2,000 or so life to date. So, people, if you think you need reviews to get sales, you're wrong. If you think you need review swaps to get successful at Kindle publishing, you're absolutely wrong. What you need to focus on first and foremost, number one, good keywords. You need the good keywords. Now, who can give you good keywords? Probably me. Who can teach you how to find good keywords? Probably me. So, is there going to be a course on finding keywords and maybe a course that'll help you, like, get you the keywords as part of the deal? Probably. Stay tuned. But yes, aside from that, absolutely. Number 1, good keywords. Number 2, good content. Don't think that you can just pump out crap, okay, and succeed at this shit, because it's not like that. Even if you jack up one of your books with a crapload of 5-star reviews, eventually things are going to fall apart. The glass house will get shattered, and you're going to get hit up with a lot of 1-star reviews if your book is shit. So always make sure that your book is written by either a writing company at their top dollar or a ghostwriter who is willing to put some effort towards writing well. And you might even want to proofread your own books. I mean, I don't necessarily anymore read my books word for word, the ones that I have self-published. But I at least skim over them and I try to find an obvious typo or two that I can to help out, especially if there's a formatting issue. That'll kill your book instantly. So readers will call you out on even just having one typo. So always try to at least skim through your books, even though it takes some extra effort. Just glance through, maybe run spell check. Just make sure nothing's too wacky out there. Aside from that, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Otherwise, like and subscribe. We'll be having more content real soon. Thank you.